Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. I have a cool set of red carbon fiber style skins for my drone. Let's put it on there and then we'll come back, talk about them. And I'll give you that review, a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know if they're cool or just junk. All right, let's put them on here. Okay, so as you just saw, Willow and I installed the Sunny Life decal kit for my DJI Mini Pro 3. This thing, I have to say, I'm a little disappointed in it. Maybe I should have read things a little clearer. Like, it seems a little odd to me that I'd have cool decals on the part of the drone which you see the least, right? This is the part you see, maybe that side, but this, the only time you ever see this is like 2 seconds before it takes off. Yeah, so that's a little disappointing. The actual materials aren't too bad, although I could see on the compound areas, it's already starting to kind of like peel up a little bit. I'm not so confident on how long this will last on here. I will use their instructions and try applying a little heat to it, see if it conforms better. What do you think, Willow? Willow's not pleased either. I gotta say, I'm a little underwhelmed. The best I can do for this is a 3 out of 5 on the Doug score, and that's being generous. It's not terrible. It's probably as advertised in terms of the thing. Probably should have read that the important parts aren't covered. But in any case, it is a cool red. It has a cool texture. If this was helpful, one of those down below. I am Doug from Doug and Nikki, and Willow and I will see you next time.